This video is going to look at relational thinking and how important thinking is in maths. If we have a look at our first equation on our board, signified by A, we've got 6 plus 3 equals 9. This is a traditional way of writing mathematical sums that most of you would have seen when you were at school. It's really important that we extend students' thinking more than this simple question. So what we've got here is B. We've got a different form of mathematical sum, and we should be exposing students as young as grade 1 to this form of mathematical sum. In this case, we've got 5 plus 6 equals 4 plus something. To work out the something, there are many ways that you could do it. Some of you would say, well, 5 plus 6 is 11. 4 plus what is 11? 4 plus 7 is 11. So the missing number would be 7. But it's also important that we look differently and we say, well, 5, if we have a look at the 5, in the same place on the other side of the equation is a 4. So that number has gone down by 1. If we have a look at the 6 would have to go up by 1 to compensate. So instead of saying 5 plus 6 is 11 and 4 plus 7 is 11, we could say 5 has gone down 1 to 4, so 6 would have to go up 1 by 7 to keep that equation the same. In the final example, we look at how relational thinking works when we do a subtraction sum. Here we've got 6 take 2 equals something take 4. Some of us would work out that 6 take 2 is 4. Something take 4 to be 4, it would have to be 8. So our missing number would be 8. But if we think about it relationally, we can say that the 2 has gone up by 2 to get to 4. So the 6 must go up by 2 as well to get to 8 to keep our equations balanced. There's a number of ways that you can look at this with scales to show students how balancing one side of an equation is a bit the same as balancing a balance or balancing a seesaw.